Hello and welcome back to Invest with Sanjeev KMR BGP. One company has given more than 4x return in last 15 months. In this video, I will discuss that in next 15 months, again this company will give more 4x return or not. So what is the chances? You know that there is no guarantee in stock market. So we can only assume or we can calculate on the basis of history, but it is not mandatory that company is going to give the same return which already given in the past. So for that we discuss about how much order they have, so that we can expect that the company can grow in the same rate or in what rate. And one other thing we will discuss that the which sector this company belong, and this sector is going to grow or not. If sector is not growing, it means it is very difficult to grow the companies. That companies come under that sector or industry. So before getting delay, I'm just sharing my presentation file so that you will get more clarification about this company. This is a small disclaimer that I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So, and I'm creating this video for the educational purpose only. And whatever share or the name of company I discuss in this video, that company or share is not my recommendation. And before buying or selling or holding your company, you should do your own analysis. So company name is Newgen Software Technology Limited. And this company market cap small cap, sector IT, industry IT software. At first, we understand how many companies are coming under this sector. So BPO industry is also under IT sector, IT education, IT software, we are going to discuss on that industry only today. E-commerce, IT not networking, and fintech. There are uh, six industries coming under this sector. Now we do sector analysis. According to India Brand Equity Foundation, IT industry 7.5% actually, there was a contribution of 7.5% in the India GDP last year. And we have expectation that it will contribute 10% to India GDP by 2025. It's huge, so that we can assume that if they are giving the contribution in the GDP at the rate of 10%, definitely there is chance to grow this sector. And according to the report published by Microsoft consultancy firm Brain and Company and industry body Internet and Mobile Association of India, India actually produces 16% of the entire world's AI talent pool. It means in the entire whole world, India produces 16% of the in AI talent pool, and this is the third highest in the world. So it's great. And India's IT industry is likely to hit 350 billion US dollar by 2026. And the computer hardware, software and hardware sector in India. Actually, we have already seen that FDI, foreign direct investment inflows, was approx 102.9 US billion dollar in last 24 years. And it is very difficult to understand the level what this data shows, so that you can understand from this line. as per the investment of FDI inflows, uh, as per and in terms of sector, it is at second rank. Got it? Yeah. Now you can see, according to IDC, revenue of India's public cloud services market total 8.3 US dollar billion last year, and it is there is expectation to reach 24 US dollar billion by 2028, and the rate will be 23.8% compound annual growth return. This is huge. Now we understand about Newgen Software Technology Limited. So, introduction or about this company. This is actually the software technology company, and this is not based on domestic only, global software company. And the what kind of business? The business is software product development, and including designing and delivering end-to-end software solution. And 32 years completed this company, and direct presence in 8 countries, and customers across 76 countries, and 350 plus global partners. It means you can understand the company is not depending upon the business in India only, or in only one country, in only one other country. So the presence in number of countries, it means if business get affected in one country, it doesn't mean that whole business will affected, because the revenue source are different. They are earning revenue from different parts of the world. Newgen Software Technology Limited help business. What kind of business this company do? We can understand from here. Go digital. It helps. It helps the business to go digital. Actually, this is the digital word, and every company wants to become digital. So paperwork to digital work. So this company providing the solution for that, and they create software. Actually, Newgen Software company creates software for that business who wants to transform from paper to digital. And so yeah, it is easier to manage the document, improve workflow. When company will get digital, then definitely workflow will improve, and communicate better with customer. Definitely communication will be better with the customer if company will become the digital. They offer various tools and software solutions such as systems to automate process and develop apps quickly. This company provides number of tools and software for the automation of the process, and also develop a number of apps for the business of other company. And the New Vision is always looking to improve. Actually, this company is giving a huge part for the R&D. So they invest in latest technology, like as we all know, AI is the latest technology, and machine learning. So the company also very looking forward in this area, and to make their software smarter and more efficient. This helps business stay up to date and competitive. So this slide is for the revenue chart and shareholding chart, and you can understand from here the revenue from EMEA. EMEA means Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Europe, Middle East, and Africa. The revenue comes from here is 34%, from India 33%, and from Asia, exclude India, 15%. It is huge. And when you see the shareholding pattern, promoters holding 54%, FII 18%, DII 10%, and public 18%. Now we see how much orders they have. According to Asia Pacific market, a large Indonesian state bank partnered with Newgen for the retail loan organization solution. Actually, the State Bank of the Indonesia partnered with the Newgen software company, and the order value is 109 million rupees. So this is also huge. And providing business financing solution to a leading Malaysian government-owned bank with an order value of rupees 106 million. Definitely, it's huge. Government Bank of Malaysia is signed an agreement with this company, and the order value is 106 million. And what kind of order? Actually, financing solution. American market entered into an agreement with a mid-sized commercial and retail bank for the digital account opening solution would be 99 million. So a small size or mid-sized commercial and retail bank in America, they entered in the agreement with the Newgen Software. They want the account opening, digital account opening. For this, they signed an agreement with Newgen Solution. Newgen company will provide the software or the app so that that company can open digital account, and the order value is 99 million rupees. Providing fintech onboarding solution to a large bank in Qatar, order value is 98 billion. In a large bank, there is also one business in from Qatar, and the order value is 98 million. This is the fundamental analysis, and market cap is only 18,000. This is a small cap company, and current price is 1,318 rupees. And ROC is 26%. That is really nice. ROE is also good, and the sales growth should be more than 15%, and it is already 26.7% approx. Profit growth is also good, and promoters holdings is more than 50%, and pledge, there is no pledge. Interest coverage ratio should be more than 3, and we can see here there is approx 74. This is huge. Current ratio is 2.61. This is also good. And average sales growth 7 year is also 17%. Operating profit margin last year 23%. Everything is perfect. I don't see anything is imperfect here. So company is fundamentally very strong. This is the financial slide, and you can see here the revenue is growing per year. There is no any issue with the revenue, with the sales. Each year you can see it is growing. And net profit also you can see here, and it is growing. And from here you can see in 2020 to 2021, it got double. Okay, and still it is growing. So net company is in profit. And this is the slide of EPS and P. And EPS and P, it means EPS, earning per share, is growing. And if earning per share is growing and PE is growing, it means share price must be growing. Why I am saying this? Because if EPS is growing, and we know the formula of PE, share price divided by EPS. EPS is in denominator. If EPS increases, and because it is in denominator, then definitely if share price will not increase, if it will be constant, then PE will decrease. But here you can see P is increasing. It means share price is also increasing. And you can see in the chart. I will put a link of EPS and P a video I have created for this, and you will get more clarification about EPS and PE. This is the technical analysis. You can see here in only 15 months, it has given a 4x return. So this is huge. And from 20 to 21, it was already given good return. And from 21 to 23, in this time, the whole market was in a consolidation phase. So this company was also not growing, but after 2023, I think April or May, it started improving, and share price is growing. And within 15 minutes, it gave 4x return. So because fundamental is good, and chart is also showing an uptrend, and company has number of orders, so we can assume that company can give good return in the future. So thank you to all of you for watching my video, and if you see anything valuable in my video, please like it. And if you need and if you want any suggestion or any help for any company, please share your thought or share your company in the comment box. And one thing, if you did not subscribe my channel as yet, please subscribe it. Thank you so much.